Hi everyone, thanks for joining me again today. We're going to be making Zippy's favorite English muffin pizzas. This is so simple of a nice meal or snack that you want to make. Super fast and it's really easy. First, you're going to start off with taking some English muffins and you're going to cut them in half. Next, you're going to take 2 tablespoons of your favorite pizza sauce. Zippy is going to do the honor for us. And think about different ways that you can make this pizza while you're already making it. Think about maybe adding some fruits, or not fruits. Think about adding some veggies. Think about adding different toppings, maybe your favorite proteins, sausage, ham, pepperoni. Perfect. Next, we're going to add 1/4 cup of cheese to each one. You want to add some? There you go. Perfect. Looks good. Perfect. And then you want to help me put on some pepperoni too? That's my favorite kind of topping. Not yours? Okay. We're going to add some veggies though. So go ahead and place your veggies on whatever pizzas you want. Perfect. There we go. Get some spinach. We have some red peppers. Ooh, yummy. Let's add some green peppers to this one. That looks good to me. What about you? I'll add another one of that. Perfect. Next, all you're going to do is pop this in the oven for 400 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, perfect. It's been 10 minutes, so we're going to take our pizzas out of the oven. Ooh. Perfect. They look awesome. Careful, they're still hot. Thanks for joining us today, guys. I hope you like this recipe.